Scrambler motorcycle style. The Scrambler, a timeless motorcycle style inspired by the off-road machines of the 1950s to 1970s. Built to look tough on city streets, yet ready for dirt trails anytime. Scramblers combine classic design with rugged function. You'll notice the upright riding position, slim body, and large knobby tires that grip both asphalt and gravel. Its frame is usually simple and tubular, often shortened at the rear for a compact, clean look. The fuel tank is small to mid-sized, with vintage curves and matte colors like olive green, black, or brushed silver. Long travel front suspension and twin rear shocks handle bumps with ease. Wire spoke wheels to 17 to 19 inches complete that retro vibe. And of course, the signature high-mounted exhaust, giving the Scrambler its wild off-road spirit and deep growl. A wide handlebar ensures control and comfort, while the flat leather seat keeps the ride relaxed. Round headlights with metal grills, minimal gauges, and raised fenders add to its rugged charm. The Scrambler blends retro and modern, classic shapes with clean, bold finishes. Lightweight, adventurous, and full of character. It's more than a style. It's a statement of freedom and exploration. Next video, purpose-built motos custom Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650.